Ano bang madalas na linyahan ng mga taong walang emotional intelligence? Oh God! Ganito na talaga ako eh. Either tanggapin mo o hindi. Proceeds to say, canon event ko to eh. Ganito talaga ako. Isipin mo kung anong gusto mong isipin, bahala ka. What? Oh my gosh. Yung puro ako nga eh. Parang that person needs to outstruggle or outwin everything that you do. That person has no empathy. I think it's also equally important for us to discern whether people who say, ako nga eh, then proceeds to attach a personal experience, we have to discern whether they're trying to relate to you or they're trying to make it about themselves, because there's a really fine line. A lot of us are kind of awkward with it, including me. Now that I'm more aware of it, I try to be more conscious about trying to relate to an experience, because last thing that I would want is to make it about me. But at the same time, gusto ko malaman sa kinakausap ko na relate naman ako sa sinasabi niya kasi meron akong similar experience. It's a tricky thing to figure that out as the speaker or as the listener. So just be more aware about it. Makukuha rin natin yung tamang timpla for us to deploy the correct amount of empathy.